Welcome to the Newlands Primary School Home Learning Channel. Now, over the coming weeks, your teachers are going to be working very hard to create lessons that you will be able to watch right here on our YouTube channel. In addition, I will be setting up mini assemblies for you to watch and some challenges that you will be able to take part in. In addition, we're also going to be having recognition assemblies where we recognize those children who are continuing to work hard at home, as well as show the characteristics that we have been working so hard on with our year of respect. Now, are you ready for your first challenge? We know that we need to be staying inside as much as possible. That's to keep ourselves and our families safe. But it is okay to go outside for walks around the estate. Just remembering that you really shouldn't be doing that in groups of people, and you should be with an adult. You shouldn't be going out on your own. Now, while you're on these walks, you may have seen people beginning to put rainbows in their windows. Have you noticed it? I've noticed a few on my walks recently, and that's your challenge. If you haven't made a rainbow to put in your front window, that's what I want you to do. I want you to create the most beautiful rainbow you can think of. Be imaginative, be creative. Put it in your front window so that when people are making their walks around, getting their fresh air, they can spot the rainbows and see how many they can find. In addition, I want you to take a picture of your rainbow and send it to me via our Twitter site. Remember, it's at Newlands_PS, and that is where you can send your pictures, and I'm going to be looking for all the amazing rainbows to be able to share out with the world. Okay, time to get to work. Everyone, make sure you listen to your adults. See you next time. Bye.